Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Chainlink tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Phantom Wallet. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just organize your assets, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. I'm excited to walk you through it, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up. You'll need the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your phone or accessed via browser, and Phantom Wallet should be linked to your device. Double-check that you have some Chainlink tokens in your Coinbase Wallet and that you know your Phantom Wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Open your Coinbase Wallet and log in. Navigate to your portfolio and select the Chainlink tokens you want to withdraw. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. Tap on that to proceed. Step 2. Enter the amount of link you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, these might vary based on blockchain congestion, so aim to transfer enough to cover costs. Next, paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check this address. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Review the transaction details. You'll see the amount, fees, and final destination. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer, probably with your wallet's security PIN or biometrics. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, open your Phantom Wallet app and refresh your balance to see your Chainlink tokens arrive. A quick tip: always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. And remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so keep an eye on the market. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Chainlink from Coinbase to Phantom in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay savvy out there.